Hello students, today topic is board and pillar method of mining and the subject is underground coal mining and the topic is board and underground coal mining and the topic is board and pillar mining method which is comes under 4th sem mining in diploma engineering. So today we discuss about board and pillar method of mining. It is the method where pillars are formed by driving gallery in crisscross manner in deep direction and strike direction to form a pillar. First of all, you might have known that board and pillar method of mining is the most used method of mining in India because of this method is most cheap as compared to other mining methods, and this method is also known as room and pillar mining. In these methods, driving galleries means gallery means the roadway there which the extraction and the machines are driven and extract towards deep direction and strike direction to form a pillar. Okay. Next is applicability condition of board and pillar mining method. There are several applicable conditions in following. First point, when seam thickness is more than 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter. Okay. Then next point is when the seam inclination is flat and mildly inclined. It means the seam means coal seam is inclination is flat inclined or mildly inclined. Okay. And first point is when seam thickness is more than 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter. Okay. Next point is when depth of the deposit is within 500 meter from the surface. Means in underground coal mining we create a shaft to reach the deposit. So when depth of the deposit within 500 meter from the surface, then this method is applicable for this purpose. Next point is when seam is free from drift band. Okay, there are 4 points from applicability condition. Next is method of when seam is free from drift band. Okay, there are 4 points from applicability condition. Next is method of mining. The board and pillar method consists of 2 conditions. There are development and depillaring. It means board and pillar method is divided into 2 parts. First stage is development and second stage is depillaring. Development means you all are known that develop a target or extraction phase which we plan before the mine plan. So development means in development stage galleries are driven to form pillars and galleries are nearly parallel and to connected to right angle to each other. This stage of formation of network of galleries is known as development operation. So first of all, in this development stage we create first pillars by driven galleries and galleries are nearly parallel to connect to the right angle to each other. Okay, this stage of formation of network of galleries is known as development operations. To form pillars in parallel connection to right angle triangles, as we form pillar and next to another pillar, this is known as development operation. Is you see that a board and pillar method image, there is pillar of unmined coal, entrance of the tunnel, board tunnel, and there is virgin coal seam. Okay. Next is first we known that development stage, then next is depillaring. So in this method the pillar formed during development stage are extracted in a systematic manner. It means first we develop the pillars. In board and pillar method there are 2 stages. Last slides I already discussed about. development stage and deep learning. After development done, then in systematic manner deep learning also intended. In this method, the pillar formed during development stage are extracted in a systematic manner. It means development and deep learning are two types of method in board and pillar method of mining. So, advantages of board and pillar method. Okay, we discuss about applicability conditions, methods, and then advantages of board and pillar method. So, first point is road and air wedge in solid coal, so maintain cost is low. First the point I already discussed about, this is cheap method of mining which will already used in several mines. Maximum mines in India are used board and pillar method because of their cost is low. So next point is production of coal starts during development stage. In this method, the production of coal is maximum during development stage. Okay. Next is success features like railways, building, river are not disturbed by underground method of mining. In this method, another good point is success features like railways, building, rivers are in surface and are not disturbed by underground method of mining, because next point is during development stage we can locate any geological disturbance in a panel. Accordingly, planning can be done before deep learning. In this point, I will discuss about a term called panel. What is panel? Panel is a group of district called panel, and group of pillars. Number of pillars create a district, and number of district create a panel. Okay. So during development stage, we can locate any geological disturbance in a panel. Accordingly, planning can be done before deep learning. Before deep learning, we will locate any geological disturbance are there in a panel or not. If any geological disturbance occurs, before we take precaution measures about the geological disturbance, then we extract the minerals, coals. The working team is usually small in a single phases. In this method, another point is the working team, which is in a day, 3 shifts are there and the working team in a shift are small in a single phases. Stress, then image comes, then deep learnings, then advantages of board and pillar, and last point is disadvantage of board and pillar mining method. Okay. So ventilation sluggishness as compared to longwall mining, OMS is lesser than other. It means ventilation, as we already know that, because in this underground, ventilation is the most important part for safety measures. And OMS, in this I must discuss about the OMS. What is OMS? OMS means output per man shift. It means in a shift, what is the output, and what the output comes means reproduction comes as per a man. Suppose in a shift there are 24 workers are working, including managers, foremen, and laborers. The OMS is means the production divided by per man, per head in a shift. Okay. Then next point is supervision is not efficient as work is carried out as number of places. Supervision is not efficient. In this method, in underground method, we made whitewash in several areas. There are not been supervision is good. So supervision is not efficient as work is carried out as number of places means there are many galleries driven to form a pillar. So supervision is not efficient. Next is subsidence